Hello there, and welcome to Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams. This is Case or No Case, where we test just how well you know the law. I'm being joined by attorney Jeff Pitman from PKSD Law Firm. How's it going, Jeff?
I'm doing well. I got a tough one for you.
I know you do. Go ahead.
Okay. So it's a snowy day. You're driving down 94, and two cars pass you on the left, and they're going too fast for the conditions. The car from behind rear ends one car. The car in front then comes into your lane, smashes into your car, and you spin out and you injure your neck and back as a result of that crash. The car that rear-ended the other car doesn't have any insurance. So case or no case against the car that was pushed into your car.
I'm thinking that that's going to definitely be a case.
That's probably not a case because they didn't do anything wrong. The car pushed them into you, so that's not their fault. The uninsured motorist, is there a claim from that?
No case.
There's a case against your uninsured motorist coverage for that. That's why you have the uninsured motorist. So if it's the uninsured motorist fault, you have a claim against your uninsured motorist coverage.
All right. Well, we learn something new every time. And if you ever need help, just dial the threes 414 333 3333 for the PKSD guarantee.